What's up everybody, Kid Android here. So here it is. Here are the hands-on videos of all devices Samsung will launch at Unpacked event, including the Samsung Galaxy Note 20, Note 20 Ultra and the Galaxy Z Fold 2. Well, one thing I will say, Samsung now don't need to introduce them because people now know pretty much everything about them and there is nothing left to show. Anyway, let's talk about the star of the show, which is the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. The smartphone will feature curved dynamic AMOLED 2x display at 6.9 inches. It will have 120Hz refresh rate and Quad ID Plus resolution. But it's unclear if you'll be able to use at the same time. Yet, the vanilla Note 20 however will have to settle for flat 60Hz 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with 1080 by 2400 px resolution. Another thing that the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will borrow from its close relative, the S20 Ultra, is the main camera. Yes, the famous 108-megapixel Samsung-made sensor, well, it's one of the biggest sensors on the market right now, is on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And I hope this time, Samsung will solve the autofocus issues which we were getting in the S20 Ultra. Anyway, other features include the under-display fingerprint reader, stereo loudspeakers, advanced S Pen functionalities and HDR10 Plus support are given, but there is a rumor saying that the ultrasonic fingerprint reader is next generation with bigger reading areas, which is a great news. We hope that this solves the rather unreliable unlocking. With that being said, here it is. Here is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, which is the much anticipated successor to the original Galaxy Fold. Well, it's going to introduce a lot of improvements in the design and overall hardware while keeping the price tag. Well, if we talk about it, when the display is unfolded, it would measure 7.7 inch in diagonal with 1536 by 2152 px resolution. But more importantly, it would support HDR10 Plus like the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and 120Hz refresh rate, and a punch hole replaces the big notch from the previous generation. The secondary display however will grow in size too, reaching 6.2 inches and uses Super AMOLED 1080p panel, and it's not 120Hz but 60Hz panel. And I guess that's pretty much it about the devices. What do you think about it? Do let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you like this video, hit the subscribe button for the next one. As always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.